In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a watch list and also subcategories. Now, of course, I have several videos on watch lists. I think it's very important, but we're going to come over here to this drop-down menu. We're going to go to create new watch list. And this one, we're going to name it whatever. I'm just going to name it test. I'm going to hit enter. It creates a new watch list for us. I strongly recommend watching my video that I have that covers all of TradingView. There's a lot of tips and tricks in there, and that's on YouTube. It's a series. It's a 4-part series. So let's go ahead and click on this. And I'm just going to go ahead and add really quick a few of the ones that I just posted in the VIP group in reference to AI projects. The first one, let's go ahead and do. First, what I want to do is I want to set a filter. So I have it on under crypto only. So it's only going to give me crypto results. I'm going to come down here to the sources. I'm going to make sure it's only to MEXC. If I wanted to only have base tokens, I can have this. Or if I wanted to only have KuCoin or Binance or what BloFin, Radium. But for me, I'm just going to do this one. I really wish that they would have multiple favorites, but you can only have one at this time. Now I'm going to start typing in virtual, and it automatically pops up. I'm only going to do the regular one, not futures. So I'm going to hit the plus sign. If you wanted to, you could do both of them. Now, since I hit the plus sign, it comes over here. Now I'm going to continue typing. I'm going to do the next one, and then I'm going to do the plus sign. Then I'm going to do the next one, and then the plus sign. And then you do this until your watch list is done. Now, as I'm doing it, since I have the filter, I typed in this one. It's not available on MEXC, at least not on TradingView. So all I do is click on the X, and then I can see that here's Binance, and then here's other ones. So for this, I'm just going to do the drop-down menu so I don't have to look so hard. We do have Binance right here. Let's go to another one. Let me type in USDT because that'll reduce the search. And I don't want to do futures. I just want to do a regular one. So I'll pick this one. Now, granted, it's on an exchange that I don't use. Maybe there's one. So these are the only ones that I have. So I'll just pick this one right here. And then I'll continue with my search, but this time I'm going to go back to my filter. So this is the last one that I'm going to do. Now that I have all these here, I'm going to create a subcategory. Let's say I've entered a few of these. So I'm just going to click anywhere on one of these. I'm going to right click, add selection. I'm going to right click the selection. I'm going to rename it. And then I'm going to say this one is active trades. And then I'm going to do another subcategory, same way. And this one, I'm going to put potential. And then I'm going to do another one where this is, let's say here, almost ready. And these are just different subcategories that you can do. I'll do one last one. And this one, I'll put, let's see here. What am I going to put on this one? Let's say I entered these, but these are already closed. So closed, took my final profits. So all you got to do is click on this and drag it up wherever you want. Click on this, drag it up wherever you want. And then same thing with this. So these will be all my closed ones. If I entered, and let's say this one got closed out, I just click and drag and move it over. You can label these whatever you want, whether it's, let's say that you have more watch lists. These could all be AI. The next inside here, the subcategory could be all the gaming that you're watching. So you can just go through here very fast, see what you see, come down here, look at these. You like this one, it looks like it's at the bottom. You can enter, do a lower bid at 30%. And then now this would be under your active. Let's say you did the same thing with this one. This was active. You can easily move them around. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now, in addition to this, what you can also do is you can also right click on this tab. This is the desktop version. You can right click on the tab and you can create a label. So this one, let's say it's an active trade. You can have this one green. You can have this one orange. This is something you may be looking at. This one, maybe it's closed. So these can have different colors so that it's easy for you to distinguish as you have your tabs open. In addition to that, you can also, if you hover over here, a little flag comes out. You click on the flag. You can also do these different colors. So this will help you determine which coins that you're active in. Whatever you want it to mean, that's what it will be. So the green could be active, the red could be inactive, the blues could be maybe something you're looking at, yellows almost ready, whatever you want it to mean for you. Then Of course, you can come over here to your drop-down menu. You can go to your open list. And then here, of course, you have all the way at the very top are your flags. So if you only wanted to look at your green flags or your blue flags, this is how you would do that. All right. I do thank you very much. If you have any questions, please post it in the VIP chat. Until then, as always, let's make this money. Take care, guys. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. If you want to make money, I will show you how. I would strongly recommend getting the VIP. You're going to make money. Now, granted, none of this is financial advice. It's never hopes and dreams and empty promises, nothing like that. See what I do. See if this makes you money. I give you my real life experience based off of my trainings, based off of my teachings, what I would do at that moment versus what everybody else does, because they want to sell you their course. They want to sell you all that stuff. I show you that my stuff works. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.